If you sell t-shirts online, you've probably spent a fair amount of time perfecting the designs that go on the outside of your t-shirts. But what about the inside? To add a personal touch to your clothing brand, you can design custom t-shirt labels to go on the inside of your shirts and other articles of clothing using Placeit. If you've never used Placeit before, it is home to thousands of different clothing mock-ups, design templates, social media templates, and videos to help you take your business to the next level. I will leave a link in the description to where you can sign up for a Placeit membership and receive a special eStoreKings discount and save 15% off of that membership. So let's go ahead and create a few different t-shirt labels. We'll head on up to Designs and then click on T-shirt Labels. As you can see here, there are quite a few different options to choose from. And with Placeit, when you start to hover over the different options, you can see what they'll look like once you start changing the fonts and the colors, as well as some of the layouts. The great thing about Placeit is that you can fully customize any of these, but the templates are great in that they are a base for you to work off of. So once you see one that you like, go ahead and click on it so that we can edit it and make it our own. Now over here on the left-hand side, we can go ahead and start editing the text. Simply select the text that you'd like to update and go ahead and overwrite it. And just continue on until you're done updating all of the text areas. Now over on the right-hand side, we do have the ability to change the different colors. So for example, let's say we'd like to change this gray color. We can go ahead and do that. We can also change the background color. And since this t-shirt label is going to be printed onto material, I'm going to go ahead and make the background transparent. Making it a transparent background will allow you to apply the design to any t-shirt without having a big square or rectangle behind it. Now currently we do have this icon in place, but perhaps we'd like to replace it with our company logo. We can do so by clicking on the Upload Image button over here, and then simply resize the icon and hit the crop button. From there, we'll go ahead and select it and resize and reposition it as needed. Now let's say we'd like to make all of this text black. We can certainly do that to make it match the rest of the design. Over here on the left-hand side, you can update the font color. You can actually update the font itself if you'd like, but we'll just stick to the color for now. And we'll go ahead and change it to black for all of the different bits of text. And there we have it. We've got a t-shirt label that is very professional looking and ready to be printed on our shirts. Once you're done designing your t-shirt label, you can go ahead and click on the download button in the top right. And then simply click here to download the file. So let's go ahead and create one more t-shirt label design. Again, we'll head on up to Designs and then click on T-shirt Labels. So go ahead and have a scroll through the different options to see if there's one that you'd like. And don't forget that you can hover over the different options to see what they look like with different colors and fonts and so on. Now once you see one that you like, go ahead and click on it to make your edits. And just like we did with the first t-shirt label, we'll go ahead and update all of the text over on the left-hand side. Now in this t-shirt label design, we do have the option to add more text and add an image such as a logo or an icon. However, you can leave it as is if you're going for a more simple look. And then finally on the right hand side, we can update the different colors. So we've got the frame color here. But I'm going to go ahead and make everything white. And then we have the background color. And again, I'm going to make it a transparent background so that this large pink rectangle isn't printed onto the shirt. And then last but not least, I'm going to change this graphic here to white as well. So once you're done, simply hit the download button. And then you can click here to download. It may have been a bit hard to see it here in Placeit since it was a transparent background, but this is what it'll look like on a darker material. Now do keep in mind that when you are creating your t-shirt labels, you may want to create a dark and a light version so that no matter what color the material is, the t-shirt label will stand out. If you found this Placeit tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel for more Placeit tutorials as well as tips and tricks on how to grow your online business.